Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. I welcome you to all Taurus people to my Divine Energy Tarot channel. Let's see what is coming up for you in the month of February. We'll shuffle it on the camera. Let's see what is coming up for you. What is the energy? What is going on in your life for my Taurus people in the month of February? What changes are coming? What else? Energy check-in for my Taurus people. Ooh, dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces or Gemini, I am feeling. Taurus people, let's see. You might be single, people who's watching this, or if you are not a single, very independent people I am feeling who's watching currently my channel. Yes, some sort of good news you are going to receive in the matter of love, in the matter of past person, in the matter of your emotional matter, in the matter in the area which you are in that area in which you are not able to sleep, in the area which you are you are feeling anxiety, some sort of those area I am feeling. So in emotional matter, you are missing your past person, you are feeling anxiety, you are you are going through sleepless nights. So some sort of good news you are going to receive in that matter. Yes, either it is about your past person, your emotional matter, your ex person, or either it is about your health and sleeping pattern matter. You will feel like in February month you'll sleep properly, anxiety will be removed, your past person will contact you, some sort of good news you'll receive from your loved one, your ex, your emotional in your emotional matter. I also feel some sort of money also you'll receive for some of you in the month of February. Definitely those who's watching, you people are currently single. Even if you are not single, you are a very independent type of a person who's watching this right now. Definitely. But most of you who's watching are single people and strong personalities. Definitely. My viewers are very strong. I feel like my each and every viewer is very much strong. Like me. I am also very strong. So yeah, I am attracting those sort of people. Some of you I feel like you might have faced miscarriage, or some sort of problem was there in your pregnancy, or you were trying to get pregnant, it is not happening, some sort of those lines. You lost a baby, or you had a miscarriage, a pregnancy was delayed, or something regarding your pregnancy loss I am feeling. Let's see, I'll pull out one more card for you. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign I am seeing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces I am seeing. And yeah, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also I am seeing. Almost every sign is there, but Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is highlighting strongly, and Libra and Gemini also. Something hidden, which something is hidden from you is going to come into the light, and you are going to receive some sort of good news in the month of February. Some of you might receive money also. And if you are feeling sleepless nights, your sleeping pattern is disturbed, you are feeling anxiety, anxious, it will your problem will start getting resolved in the month of February. If it is, especially if it is regarding your ex, your past person, you are missing your past person, then there are chances they'll communicate to you, and good news will come. Some sort of good news they will give to you, something like that. Strongly Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces I am feeling. Your ex is stalking you. your ex is stalking you. Bottom of the deck, Page of Swords. Top of the deck, the Tower. You had a tower moment with this person, and that person is stalking you, definitely. If you had a tower moment, I mean to say, if you had a shocking ending with this person, then this person is stalking you, and they'll communicate to you, and they want to communicate to you, and you are currently feeling anxiety and sleepless nights. Don't worry, all is going to be resolved, okay? In the month of February for you, I feel like that. And I also feel like, you are very successful in your career. And even if you are not successful in your career, I feel like in the February month you'll receive some sort of career regarding news. If you were waiting for a job or interview call or job letter or something, some sort of those lines, offer letter, you're going to be receiving in the month of February month. If you were waiting for some sort of money you have given to someone, they'll give it back to you. And I also feel, some sort of money is going to come. You'll receive some help regarding your career situation and your money situation. And definitely, in short, money is going to come for you in the February month. I can see you are successfully working in your career, in your money situation is not disturbed, but if it is even disturbed, I think it is going to resolve in February month. And if you are working perfectly fine, earning perfectly fine, then also you are going to receive some sort of more money in the month of February. Yeah, might your ex person might give you some money, or give you some gift card, gift coupon, money coupon, some sort of gifts and money you are going to receive, definitely. Strongly I am feeling money, but depends on your situation. Some of you might get some gifts also. Okay, so let's see the charms for you. I called to take this, I don't know why. I'll take it. Ooh, initials for you, T U R. So this can be someone's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name, surname, name, middle name. This can be initials of you or your person. Okay, 10 number, 1986 here I am seeing, 10 number I am seeing. So these numbers can be significant to you or this year, 1986 and 10 number. And some of you are going to receive some sort of money. Yes, money. And some sort of hidden truth, like a treasure, like a treasure, some sort of hidden truth will come out, because on the moon card this bottle has popped out. So I feel like some sort of hidden truths or hidden things will come into light in the month of February, which will turn into your favor. So in short, it is a good news. Something hidden will come to the light, and it is a good news. For example, if your ex person is still in love with you, they'll come and say to you that I'm still in love with you, give me a chance. So those sort of things, and you feel like, no, they are not in love with me. I'm just giving you example. So whatever is hidden, it will come into the light, and it is beneficial for you. And some sort of good news you are going to receive. Something hidden will come into the light, definitely. Some sort of surprise money or surprise good news or surprise communication you will receive, definitely. See, rainbow charm also has came into your relationship. So if you're feeling like, everything is black, everything is dark, nothing going great in your life, I think colors will come. Rainbow colors, rainbow charm we have received. Rainbow colors will come in your life. If you are feeling depressed because feeling tense, that nothing going well in your life because you are not sleeping properly. So I want to assure you that in February month, your love life, your colorless life will be fulfilled with a lot of love, joy, and lot of rainbow colors. It will be fulfilled. Your life will be, I'm hearing the word root, router. I don't know, it might be significant to you. I'm hearing that word root, router, or I think someone will take a rude towards you or communicate routers or Wi-Fi. I think they'll communicate towards you. Some of you or your person is might be working in IT industry, or it means information technology, computer application, software engineer, hardware engineer, some sort of those line, IT field, computers. Either you or your person is working in that, some sort of router, Wi-Fi, I am feeling. So they'll communicate to you. If you're waiting for some sort of communication from someone, or some sort of call letter, or past person's message, I think it is going to happen in the February month. Or somebody will take a route towards you. That is why also I am feeling yellow color might be significant to you. I think if your person was I'm also feeling spoon feeding. I'm continuously feeling this word in my mind, spoon feeding. So some of you might have a baby, and you are feeding them currently right now. And if not, then I feel like someone was spoon feeding somebody, and that thing will come into the light. I feel like that. Yes. If I also feel for some of you, if someone was buttering you and trying and their intention was not good, and they were buttering you just to just to take something from you, from some information, or from some benefit or some advantage. They wanted to take some advantage just by buttering you, just by speaking so sweetly and so nicely. They wanted to take out some information, wanted to take something from you. So those things or those people will come into the light, and you'll feel relieved and relaxed, that the people's true color now. So those sort of things, if someone was buttering you, so those things will come into the light in the month of February. Now let's see the messages from the person who is most on your mind. I'll just shuffle it properly. So if you have anyone in your mind currently, we'll see the messages from that person. I think few more. Let's see, 2 more. Okay. I am seeing the number 4 might be significant to you. Number 4, I don't know why I am feeling, but number 4. Okay, the song, this is the song. They don't know about us. One Direction, Take Me Home. So your person might want to dedicate this song to you. You are like an angel. So your person wants to say that you are an angel. If you are missing your past person. You are kind-hearted. Ooh, they are saying you are kind-hearted. Wait, I am coming. So your past person is saying, wait, I am coming. I think they have a doubt that you'll choose someone else, or you have already dating someone else, or chose someone new over them. So they are saying, wait, I am coming. For some of you it can be okay. Sugar, you are my cupcake. Honey, so your person might used to call you sugar or cupcake or honey, so they are saying that you are very cute, pumpkin, chubby vibe also I am getting. I also feel your energy is quite draining, or someone is draining your energy, and that person will be removed out of your life. And that person's true color you'll see, whether they are your family member, whether they are your friend, wolf in a sheep's cloth. Somebody is like that in your life, whether they are your friend, colleague, family member, boyfriend, ex, whoever. It depends on your situation. Somebody was there in your life who they are hiding something from you. They are taking your advantage. They are trying to buttering you. Someone's like a wolf in a sheep's clothes. So that person's true color and information will come to the surface. It will come to the light, and you'll realize lot many things in the month of February. I feel like that. So, and your person sees you that you are their soulmate or twin flames. Oh my god, soulmate, twin flame, both. So twin flame for some of you only, 1 or 2 people. I was a fool. So your person is saying I was a fool. If your person has listened to someone else in the past, or your person, I also feel for some of you, if your person was listening to someone else, his friends, colleagues, family, third party, and they were influenced, or that person they were influencing your buttering your person, and he listened to them and not to you. So he is going to realize your worth and your value, and a lot of things are going to come into the light, and they'll communicate to you in the month of February what happened, how happened, what has done, how wrong they have been treated, and how much wrong they did to you because of them. So those sort of things are going to happen. So it is a good news basically for you. I am worried, so they are worried, your person is worried. For some of you, that you might be into someone new. See, your person or you were dealing with a karmic person, and you'll realize who is your karmic and who is your soulmate and who is your twin flame. So basically, you or your person will realize whoever was under this influence of a bad person, or wolf type of person, who was acting like, they are your well wisher. They were talking too sweet on your face. Hints. So some sort of hints you'll receive in the month of February from your person. I feel like that, definitely. And something hidden will come out of the darkness, definitely, to the light. So this is what I feel for you. I hope you liked it. If you really liked, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. If you want to get a personal reading, my details are in the description box below. You can follow me at Divine Energy Tarot on Instagram, and please remember, this is a general reading. It will not resonate or match with each and every one of you every time. Namaste, love and light to you. I hope you all have a very fabulous February month. Love you. See you.